Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send Telegram image URL to Notion. So here my objective is, every time an image is sent to my Telegram group where my team is sitting, automatically the same image URL should be created as a database item in Notion. Now to do that, we'll have to integrate Telegram with Notion, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Telegram and my action application will be Notion, which is a note-taking and idea organizing platform. Now to understand how you can integrate and automate this entire process yourself without the need of any coding skills, let's begin. So this here is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can reach here by clicking on the link which is given in the video description. So if you are an existing user, simply sign in, and if you are a new user, you can sign up. It's not going to take more than 2 minutes. Also, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. Now, once you reach the dashboard, on the right hand side, there's a tab Create Workflow. So click on this and this dialog box will appear. Here you have to name your workflow. You can give any random name. I'm going to name it as per my objective, which is to send Telegram image URL to Notion. And here I'm going to click on Create. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One here is trigger, another one is action. Now triggers and actions are the building blocks of automation. So trigger means when this happens, an action says do this. Basically, action here is the automated response of your trigger application. Let's understand this with the help of an example. So every time you swipe your card and the payment is made, you receive a notification on SMS about the amount debited. Now how does that happen? With the help of automation. In such a case, your trigger is the payment gateway and your action application can be any SMS sending application. So once we have understood this, let's come to our use case, and here my trigger will be Telegram. Let's click on this. Then we have the trigger event, and here it will be set webhook or watch updates. So as we do that, here we are going to click on connect. And now here Pabbly Connect wants to connect with Telegram bot account. Since we are setting up this connection for the first time, here I have selected add new connection. And now here we need a token to set up this connection. How can we receive this? For this, first we have to go to Telegram web. So here I have already opened the same, and here I'm going to look for bot father. So this here is bot father. Here I'm going to start the conversation, and as we do that, now here I'm going to start a new bot. So this here I'm going to create a new bot. Now it is saying what are we going to call it. So let's say the name of this bot is Notion Tele 123. So as we do that, now it is asking me to choose a username, and it is a must that the username has to end with _bot. So here I'm going to name this username as Notion Tele 123 _bot. And here we can see that a new bot has been created. We can find the bot at this particular link, and this here is the token required to set up this connection. So I am going to copy this. Now go back to Pabbly Connect, paste the same here, and now here I'm going to click on save. So as we do that, here we can see that Telegram and Pabbly Connect are now connected. Now I'm going to take you back to Telegram. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this hyperlink, and this here is a new bot that we have. Here I'm going to start a conversation, and now with this bot, I'm going to create a group. So here I'm going to click on this, click on new group. Let's say that I am selecting a few people, and as well as here I'm selecting Notion bot that we have just created. Here it is, and let's click on enter. So now here we have to name this group. So here I'm going to name it as Notion Tele 123 group, and here I'm going to click on enter. So you can see this group has been created. It has got 3 members, and now what do we have to do? This bot that we have just created, here we have to promote it to admin. And how can we do the same? For this you have to take your phone and open Telegram there, and here you have to open the group that you have created. Then as you click on the new member and as you press on this for long, you will get an option to promote to admin. So click on that. On the top right corner you have got a check mark. Click on this, and now once this is done, I'm going to refresh this page. Let's go back to the details, and you can see that this bot has been promoted to admin. Now once this process is all done, Here, Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we do that, here it is asking me to do a test submission so that the response can be captured here and we can understand if Pabbly Connect and Telegram are properly integrated or no. So to do this, I am going to send an image to this particular group. So I'm going to click on this, select photo or video. Now let's say that this is the image that I wish to share. The image is automate everything. And here I'm going to give a caption which is demo caption. And now I'm going to click on send. So as we do that, here we can see that the image has been shared with the group. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect and you can see we have received the response here. So here we have the update ID. Here we have the photo dimensions. Then as I take you down, so here we can see what is the username. It's Pabbly Connect. Here we have the chat title which is Notion Tele 123 group. And here we have received the message caption which is demo caption. But here I haven't received the URL. For this, I'm going to take you back to Telegram. So let's select our action application as Telegram once again. And in the action event, I am going to get the details. So here, let's click on get file. And again, I'm going to click on connect. Since we have already set up this connection, so I am going ahead with the existing connection. Now, once this is done, so here you can see we have received the file ID. So we have received the file unique ID and also we have received this file ID. So I'm going to take this file ID here. How do I do that? So as I click on this, you can see the previous step here. Let's click on this and this here is the file ID. Now this method with which I have added the information here is known as mapping, and this is important so that every time your workflow runs, it can take the new data into consideration. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as we do that, here we have received the response. So what have we received? We have received the file ID. This here is the same ID. Then we have received the file unique ID, file size, and here we have received the file path. Now this file path, so here in the help text it is given, file can then be downloaded via the link. So this here is the link to download the file. So what you have to do, the token that we had just received here. So let me take you back to board further. So this token that we had received, so here we have to enter the token, and for the file path, we have to enter this path that we have just received. So what I'm going to do next is here I'm going to add another action step, and this time my action application will be Notion. Let's click on this. Now the action event here will be to create a database item. Let's click on connect. Here again Pabbly Connect wants to connect with Notion account. I'm going to select add new connection, connect with Notion. So I've already logged into my Notion account. And here you can see that Pabbly Connect is requesting access to demo users Notion. So I'm going to select the pages. And now here I'm going to select all these pages. I'm going to show you these pages in a while. Let's click on allow access. And as we do that, here we can see that the authorization has been successful. Now, before I do anything else, let me take you to the Notion account. Now here you can see I have created a page. The name is Telegram Integration Images. And here I have created a table with the fields image caption, image. And then here we'll add the details. You can create your own page by clicking on this add a page tab. Okay, once we have understood this, and here Notion and Pabbly Connect are connected. So the database here that we have to select has already been selected by the system. Now here we have to enter the image URL. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the previous step, and here I'm going to quickly copy this. And now let's go down. Here I'm going to paste the same. Now instead of this token, what am I going to enter? So this token that we had received. So I'm going to copy this token, go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste the same. Once done, now here instead of this file path, let's map the path that we had received. This here is the file path. Okay, so this here is our image URL that we have created here, and the image caption for this, let's go to step 1, and this here is the image caption. Now here if you wish to enter any content, you can do that. I'm just going to leave this blank and click on save and send test request. So as we do that, here we have received the response. According to this, now this information must be added to my Notion table. Let's go and check the same. So yes, you can see this here is the image caption and here we have the URL. So as I click on this, you can see this image has been downloaded. Let's open this image and here we have got the same image. So this means our integration here is a success. Now let's check the same in real time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you back to Telegram. Let's go to the group that we had created and here I'm going to send another image. So let's go to photo or video. So here let's say this is the image that I wish to share. Now here I'm going to add a caption which is automate your CRM. Let's click on send. As soon as this image has been shared here, what should happen? Automatically, the URL should be created and then should be added to the Notion table along with the image caption. So I'm going to take you to Notion and you can see here we have received another detail. So this means our integration is a complete success. Taking you back to Pabbly Connect, let's quickly understand what we have done. So here our trigger was Telegram bot. The event was to set webhook or watch updates. And then our first action application was again Telegram, where we had to get the file details that we had just uploaded. And then our action application was Notion, where we had to create a database item. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any specific integration to work on, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.